Hi friends, this is Hitesh from Olympic Pathan Academy. So today we will back with some another SQL related question which was asked in Amazon. Okay, so actually it is average review rating question. So let's see what is the problem statement. So we have given a review table. Okay, so we have to write a query to retrieve the average star rating for each product, which is grouped by month. The output should display as such that the month as a numerical value. Okay, so basically we have to get the output as a month as a numerical value and along with their product id and calculate the average star rating also, which was rounded by up to the 2 decimal point, and sort the output first by month. So we have to sort also, and also sort the product id. So basically we have to apply group by statement on two fields, that is date and product id, and again we have to apply another function, that is order by, which is on month and product id. Okay, so let's see what is the problem. Table definition is given to you. Review table is given to you where we have 5 columns with the respected data types. Review id, their data type is integer. User id, their data type is integer. Submit date, that is date time. The value given in this column, that is time along with date. Product id, which is of integer type. Star, actually we are given the rating to the specific product, that is in terms of star, and the star should be given within the range of 1 to 5, that is integer, that's why it is a integer 1 to 5. These are the data which was stored in the review table. Okay, and according to output we will get like this type of output with the month, their product and their average rating. Okay, so let's start. So basically we want three fields. Okay, so for that we will write select. Now we have to now we want the month, which is stored in date time field, with date time type, which is stored in the field of submit date. So we have to use here, we have to fetch the month from here. So for that we will use extract function here. So how we write extract? Extract, and from which we have to extract the specific month. So for that we will write what we want to fetch, that is month from submit date. So we have to extract the month from the respected field, that is a submit date, and while displaying on table we have to give as mth. Okay, so while the query this will run, we will get the value from this query as a month, and their respected column name should be alias as a mth, that is month. Now we want the product. Okay, so it is as simple as product id. Product id as alias as product. Now we want the average star, so for that we will use here aggregate function, which is average, avj. So we want the average of the stars, that is, now we want the average rating should be rounded by 2 decimal. So for that we will use again round function here, which is applied on star, which will applied on average of stars, which was rounded by up to the 2 decimals. So for that we will use comma 2. And now we will give the name of this column as a value print under the column as a AVJ stars. So we want all this column from the table. This is the table name here, review. Review. Now we want the now we want the group 2 field, that is group by month, and the product ID. So for that we will use group by statement. So we have to group this group this data by the month, and we have to extract the month from the submit date field. So for that we will use here extract month from the respected field. So what is the name of field here? Submit date. Again we have to group by their product ID, which was sorted by month and product IDs. For that we will use order by clause, which was print according to the month, with their product ID. Let's see whether it is correct or not. So basically we had written all the query according to output. Let's see whether we will get expected output or not. Month does not exist, is saying. Line number 11. Sorry, we have to write here mth. Let's see whether it is submitted correct or not. Okay, so our query is written. Our query is actually displaying correct output. So let's see what we had done. Again, first go through this one. So we have to fetch the product ID. We have to extract the month from the date field. So actually the name of the date field is submit date, which were given the alias by using the s clause, s keyword, that is mth, and we have to calculate the average of star, which was we have to print only 2 decimal points. So for that we will use round function, and we will display the data, that is group by statement according to the product id, that is product id should be grouped, and the month is also grouped, and which was sort according to the month and along with their product id. So for that we will use here order by clause. So whatever output we will get, that will get according to the month. So basically we will get the in 6th month, for example, we show their product id is 50,001 and their average star is 3.5, and the another month is 7th month, that is their product id is 69582 and their average star is 2.50. So like that we had written this query. So we will get this expected output. Okay, so if you have any doubt, so please comment us and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.